Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Mary Maidenhill. Yeah, I am back. I just did another video and I'm trying to get as much as possible done today. You guys know I film on Saturdays and Sundays because these are the only days I have to, do videos. So that's why past weekends I haven't been able to do anything because I've been working and doing some stuff. But anyways, I got something in the mail and I'm very, very excited for it. And I'm a little afraid, last mystery box, since it was like the craziest thing ever. I'm actually happy that this time I was able to get it. Sadly, I was not able to get the big one. I wanted the one that was worth $145. So that was the big box, the Queen or something like that. Girl, no. I was only able to get I believe this one's the deluxe premium, the small one, which is bigger than the other ones. And I'm actually very afraid. I've been trying not to see what is like other videos and stuff of people unboxing them. I've been trying to not watch, even though I love watching other videos and other YouTubers unboxing and doing all this stuff. You gotta support. But anyways, I was able to get this one, so I'm very excited. Because the Christmas one, it was a fiasco. I was not able to get it because like everybody else, a lot of people had the same problem, that it gave you the confirmation that you had it, and it actually never charged me, so I was never able to actually get it. And I missed out on the freaking peppermint palette, which I'm still super salty, and I will be saying it forever. Now, yes, this is the box it came in. It feels heavy. And you know what? I'm going to say what I wish is in here, because I was not able to get it. But I wish I get the Thirsty palette. It's the only one I'm missing. I'm missing the Thirsty palette. Actually, no, I'm missing two palettes. I'm missing the Thirsty and the Blue Blood, but I'm sure the Blue Blood is not going to be in here. But the Thirsty palette and the Alien palette, both of them were getting discontinued. So I'm very hopeful that mine has the Thirsty palette, because if it has the Alien palette, I'm going to be a little sad because I already have it. And I do love it. Don't get me wrong. I love the Alien palette. Mine, right here, it's been used and abused. Look at it. I mean, of course I love it. It has lots of greens. Yeah, so if you're asking, this is the Jeffree Star Lippy Venus Flytrap. It is not for the faint of heart. So, yeah, that is what it is. But anyways, without further ado, let's go hop in on this one. So here it is. So this one was $60. $60, and I think this one has, is it 4 items? And then it has like an exclusive. Is it like, yeah, I don't remember, girl. I gotta get with the program. I don't remember what it was. I'm so misinformed so many times. I just, my sister the other day, she was telling me that, you need to like get informed. I do this for fun, okay? If you're coming here for like expert advice, expertise, information about products, the only information you're getting is what I read on the back. And my honest opinion on how it feels on me. But you know what? My skin, my complexion, and all that is very different probably from all of you guys. I am Puerto Rican. I have a little bit of African blood, a little bit of Spanish blood, and a little bit of Indian. So, yeah, this is what you get. This is what you get. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive in. So, oh my God, I'm so afraid. Anyways, let me go ahead and open it. I did cut obviously this part to make it easier for the video, but Here it is. You can see first. What is that red thing? Oh, wait a second. Okay, so I guess this is one of the exclusives. I guess. Maybe. Let's see. So it is a beanie. Now this is super cute. I live in Florida, and the Florida weather here has been crazy. Today is actually it feels nice, but the other days it was like, you know, freezing. It was super cold. Oh no, I just saw something I hate. Ugh. Anyways, so yeah, you get a beanie like this. Let me just open it. Actually, you know what? I'm happy because I needed a beanie. I needed a new beanie because I am going to St. Louis soon. I'll probably do my first blog over there. I'm going to a Halloween convention. Yes, I work at haunted houses. And I'm a prop maker also, and I do haunt makeup. And I love it. And every time I go over there, it's a trade show, so it's not open for public. You gotta have a business. So yeah, every time I go there, I buy a lot of makeup and a lot of stuff for special effects. It's crazy over there. So this is the beanie. Woo! I'm gonna put it on. Oh, man, let's see. Oh, no, that looks cute. I'm actually gonna leave it on. Let me take this off. Oh, look at that. I'm not one to wear beanies all the time, but this one's super cute. Feels really good. Now, I see something here that I don't like. Actually, I hate. And this has made me not want to buy Jeffree Star's mystery boxes anymore, because they always comes with the same crap. This thing. Pop sockets. Not everybody likes pop sockets. You know what I do? I end up giving them away. It's not something that I use. It looks like Christmas here. Not Valentine's, but anyways. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna be giving this away. I have the perfect person to give this to. Yeah, I do. So also comes with paper over here. And you know what? I know what this is. I didn't get the Thirsty. I got the Alien palette. I don't even have to open the paper. I'm not even gonna open the paper. This is the Alien palette. And like I said, I'm sad. But you know what? I'm not that sad. I might do a giveaway. I'm not gonna do it here. I'm not gonna do it now. But you know what? If you don't have the Alien palette, write it on the comments. Let me know. And I might, and let me know if you want me to do a giveaway. I will do a giveaway and give it away, because I do have mine. I don't reach for it all the time because I have a lot of other palettes. So I'm not even gonna open it. If I do that giveaway, you're gonna receive it with the actual paper. Now this, I did see a sneak peek. Jeffree Star was talking about it. The gloss. Ooh, I'm actually excited to open this. Ooh, so let me just put this on the side. Yep. Let me put this on the side. Oh wait, my phone keeps buzzing. Let me see. Who is it? Who is guilty? Guilty. Anyway, so this is the packaging. It's actually super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and... Oh! Ooh, I almost broke that. That's okay, it's a unicorn. Okay, so it comes like this. Let me see. Yeah. This is it. I'm actually very excited in trying it. Let me see. Ooh. So it goes like this. Can you see that? Ooh, that's cute. I'm actually gonna put it on my lips. I like this lippy. So maybe if I put a little bit of this on top, might make it pop. Let's see. This is an awesome combination. Girl. This is a look. Oh my god, this smells so good and it's so creamy. Dude, look at that lips. Oh. Ooh. Aww. I'm actually liking this so much. I mean, this is not worth $60, not to be honest. I love you, Jeffree Star. Don't come for me, because I will always buy everything you put out. Everything you put out, I'm going to be there on that website buying it, because I love your brand. I love the quality of your makeup, but your mystery boxes are very, very annoying. I'm just going to say and put it out there. If you agree with me, that's good. It's fine. If you don't agree with me, it's completely fine. It's just makeup, so don't get all crazy. I love the exclusive. That looks awesome with the Venus flytrap. Oh, that looks so cute. I'm actually very happy. My thoughts about the box. Not very happy that I didn't get the Thirsty. I mean, he never said what we were getting. Of course, that's the mystery of it. But I was kind of hoping getting, you know, the Thirsty Blood. I know it's discontinued, and I kept buying other stuff, other of his palettes and his collections, and I just missed out. So I wanted to have it. That was the only one that I needed to complete my collection of Jeffree Star, because I have all his palettes. I love his brand. I love the quality of the makeup. I love how it looks. I love how, you know, out there he is with his brand, and like lipsticks like that. I mean, like this lippy, I got it. Someone got it for me as a present. So it was like a Christmas exchange at work, and she got me this, and it's like not everybody wears lippies like this. So whenever you know, they put on a sale, which is not very often, I'm there buying those lipsticks. I own every single green lipstick or liquid lip that he has. I own it. I love them. And the other thing is that I'm actually going to say my favorite mystery box from Jeffree Star was the Halloween one that he did. Yeah, the Halloween one. That one, it came with the Bullet Area 51. I got some cool stuff in it, and I was so freaking happy. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping that you liked my review. It is my opinion, it's my honest opinion. I'm not very happy that I got the Alien palette, but I am happy that I'm going to be able to, you know, give it away to someone that wants it very, very, very bad. So just let me know how bad you want it, and I'll go ahead and do that. So I'm not doing it here. I might post it on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram, on my social media. If you want to find me on Facebook, I'm under Made in Hell FX. That is my business page. If you want to find me on my personal Facebook, it's under Mary Made in Hell. Here it's Mary Made in Hell FX, and on my Instagram is Mary Made in Hell FX as well. So thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload another video, you get notified. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome, awesome day.